Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to show you how to easily change your Messenger ringtone on your iPhone. First, let's dive into the Settings app. Once you're in, scroll down until you see Sounds and Haptics, and tap on it. Now scroll down again until you find Ringtone, and tap there. By default, it's usually set to the reflection option. But, you can choose any ringtone from this list. You can even check out the classic list for more options if you want. For this example, we're going to choose Radial. When you select it, you'll get a little preview of what it sounds like. Pretty cool, right? Now if you're interested in creating a custom ringtone for your iPhone, I've included some helpful guides in the description below, so be sure to check those out. Once you've selected your ringtone, just go back and exit out of the Settings app. The next time you get a call through the Messenger app, you'll hear your awesome new ringtone. Just a heads up, this is a global setting, so you'll hear that ringtone for all other types of calls you receive on your iPhone as well. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing to RoamTips.com for more useful tips and tricks. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below. Thanks for watching.